Hey everyone, just figured I'd do another one of these sort of tone videos again. I don't really know what's going to come through on the camera. I haven't really done a lot of tonal stuff with this, but I did the painkillers, bare knuckle painkillers earlier. I'm going to do the set of Warpigs I have in my Legator RX model here. Standard ceramic bare knuckle Warpigs, and this is where you're really going to get, assuming decent tone comes through that shitty little camera mic. You're really going to get the reason these are called Warpigs, because they just have that boomy, big feel to them. Anyway, here's some tone. Or not, I might need to tune. I'll just let you know where my settings are. I am on channel 2, vintage mode, on my dual rectifier. 50 watt setting. Gain right at 12 o'clock, master is cranked, presence is at 3 o'clock, bass is at about 12 o'clock, mids are at about 2 o'clock, trebles at about 2.5 o'clock. I don't have the output very high on the amplifier right now because I'm just playing at home and I got dogs and all that. I don't want to hurt their ears or anything. I just got to check where I'm tuned to here. There we go. Sorry, just a little out of tune there. I'm on the bridge pickup right now. These only have full humbucker mode. Tones at full. Volumes at full. These things do pig squeal really easily. These are great for pinch harmonics. But you can already hear that big boomy low end. These things are just crushing. Even with a Floyd Rose type system, they sustain forever. Yeah, I just... I am really out of practice, guys. I apologize. I'll throw these onto the neck here. The neck really shines through on a clean field. Oh, and I should also say, I'm in, what am I in? Drop A flat tuning. So yeah, I'm getting a lot of bass. I'm getting even more bass out of them, especially on the neck pickup here. myself all the way up here to channel 3. Modern mode, gain is at 3 o'clock, master is at 1 o'clock, presence 3 o'clock, bass 1 o'clock, mid about 11 o'clock, treble at about 1 o'clock. 50 watt modern. That's where you can really hear though the snarly. It's very that. It really is. It's the Warpig stung. It's snarly in your face. Still very old school, but unapologetic in any way, really in tone. Again, you can do if you're willing to. You know, it doesn't actually take as much fiddling as it does with the painkillers there. You just gotta, you know, twiddle with your EQ a little bit to really get those to good sound, good with any kind of music. But they're that big, open, snarly tone with the bass is pretty overbearing, but it doesn't. If you're willing to play with your EQ settings, it doesn't overdo you. You can, you know, tone the bass down and get a lot of mids out of it, a good amount of treble out of it, but you get some great harmonic sort of sounds with them. You work with them, they work with you. Hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Hopefully the tone comes out okay on this video. I really don't know, but either way, thanks for watching.